Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the type casting or the as keyword, right? So today we'll be discussing about the non-nullable types. So what is non-nullable types? What does non-nullable types do in TypeScript? Basically, they exclude null and undefined from a variable's type. Again, I'm telling non-nullable types exclude null and undefined from a variable's type, ensuring the variable must have a valid value, right? So let's try to implement the same with a example. First, let's go with the non-null assertion, right? The not operator, nothing but non-null assertion. And second example, let's go with the explicit type check for non-null, right? First, let's go with the non-null assertion. I'll quickly come here. Let me create a function. Let me name this one get length of str, nothing but the string. Here, let me make use of the question mark basically. This will be of the type string, and let me set this one to the number. Within the function, I'll quickly return string. Let's make use of the null assertion here, nothing but the not operator here. I'll just give you a str length. So here what happens, non-null assertion basically tells the TypeScript that str is not null or undefined. Again, here I have made use of the not operator here. You can clearly see here, right? So what this one does here is non-null assertion. Basically, whatever I have given here, made use of here, basically, this tells the TypeScript that str is not null or undefined, right? I hope this is clear. This is simple, right? So let me quickly come out of the function and let me log here this one. The function name is getLength, right? Within the getLength, let me give something in the within the strings. I'll just give here hello Bharadwaj. So let me quickly make this one to the hello Bharadwaj, right? So the output that we need to get here is, just give me a second here. We are trying to get the length, right? This one actually 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 we need to get, I think. So let's try to run the code here. Yeah, we are getting the output 15, right? So we are just trying to get the length of the string, right? So this one is 15 basically. 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5 is 14, and the space also it considers, right? So it will give us the output 15. So I'll quickly explain whatever I have given here. So here str, whatever I am giving here, this one str, the parameter that I have considered, this is optional and may be undefined. Again, I am telling this is optional and it may be undefined as well. So using this operator, I mean not operator, whatever I have given here, basically this asserts that str is neither null nor undefined, right? I hope now this is clear. So this str, whatever I have made use of here, this one is optional and maybe undefined, right? So this one, by making use of the not operator, that's what here I have used the not operator, right? So this one asserts str is neither null nor undefined. So now we can safely access the length property, dot length, whatever I have used here, right? So I hope this concept is completely clear. Nothing but we saw the example non-null assertion, nothing but the not operator. So next, let's go with one more example, nothing but explicit type check for non-null. So I'll quickly erase this one. So I'll quickly come here. Let me create a function. Here, let me give here print name. Within this one, let me consider name as the parameter with the type string or null here. Let's set this one to the void. Right. Within the function, I'll just consider one condition. If name not equal to null, then let's log something over here. I'll just give, let's do one thing. Let's try to convert the name to this one, all the letters in the name to the uppercase. I'll just make use of the built-in function to uppercase, right? So I'll just give here to uppercase. So here, let me quickly come out of this function. I'll give here, call the print name function. And within this, let me give Bharadwaj. So here we have to get this one in the uppercase, right? Bharadwaj in the uppercase. So I'll quickly explain what I've done here first. Then let's try to run the code here. So here name, whatever I have considered, this one can be string or null. So here you can clearly see whatever we have written. This one can be string or null. We are explicitly checking name not equal to null here. This one you can clearly see here. We are explicitly checking whether name is not equal to null before accessing this one, name to the uppercase. So name should not be null at any cost. Nothing but we are explicitly checking name not equal to null before accessing to uppercase, name dot to uppercase, right? So now we are having Bharadwaj here. This has to be converted to the uppercase. All the data has to be converted to the uppercase. Let's try to run the code here quickly. So we are getting the output, correct output, right? Bharadwaj. So I hope the concept of explicit type check for non-null and the non-null assertion, nothing but the not operator, is completely clear. Basically, I hope the concept of non-nullable types is completely clear, right? Next, we'll be discussing about this one, strict null checks, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.